To set lock screen live shortcut at a specific time in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, tap advanced features, turn on Bixby routines. If Bixby routine is off, tap switch until blue to turn on, and then tap Bixby routines. Tap Bixby routines plus icon. If select what will trigger this routine, tap plus icon again. Select time, enter your start time and end time you want. For example, I want to start in 5 o'clock and end time in 9 o'clock, and then select repeat time you want. For example, I want to repeat in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday, and then tap done. Tap next, then select what this routine will do, tap plus icon, scroll down, and then tap change lock screen shortcut. Select left shortcut, select your app you want to enable in left shortcut, example gallery, and then tap done. Tap done again, and then tap done. Enter your routine name you want, for example live shortcut. And then tap done. Left shortcut 7, and then if time is 4 until 9 o'clock every Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, then a lock screen left shortcut will be turned on and set in gallery. Okay, thank you for watching. You can also enable or disable run notification. To enable run notification, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you enable run notification, system will be shown ongoing notification whenever this routine is running. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.